warm water on empty stomach in the morning. Friends, the first benefit is that it helps to flush out the toxins from the body. Drinking water helps in detoxifying our system. The more water we drink, the cleaner our body will be. By eliminating the toxins from the body, it helps in cleaning the system, and thus it also helps in the smooth functioning of all our organs. Friends, the second benefit is that drinking water helps in cleansing the bowels. When we drink warm water on an empty stomach, then there is an increase in the bowel movement, and thus it helps to regulate the digestive system. In case anyone feels constipated at any point of time, then try to drink plenty of water, as it helps in clearing the waste from the body, and thus we feel relieved, fresh and ready for the day. Friends, the third benefit is that it speeds up the metabolism. Drinking warm water, especially in the morning, helps to speed up the metabolism, and thus it helps in easy digestion of food. The fourth benefit is that drinking water helps in reducing weight. Friends, the best part is that water has no calories and we can drink it as much as we like. Since drinking warm water helps to boost our metabolism and helps in easy digestion of food, so it also helps in weight loss. Also, by drinking plenty of water in the morning as well as during the day, we remain full, and thus we can avoid the tendency to have a snack at odd times. Thus, it helps in losing weight to an extent. Friends, the fifth benefit is that it can help to prevent headaches. Dehydration is one of the reasons for having headaches. Drinking water in the morning ensures that our body remains hydrated, and thus it can help in avoiding headaches. The sixth benefit is that it helps to avoid bad breath. In addition to preventing headaches, drinking water can also help to avoid bad breath and other dental problems. The seventh benefit is that it helps to give you a glowing skin. Many skin problems can occur when our body is dehydrated and the bowel movements are not clear. Once we have regular bowel movements, then our body is detoxified, thus leading to fewer skin problems, and the skin feels fresh and radiant. Friends, the eighth benefit is that it can help to increase hunger, and it is good for appetite. Drinking warm water early in the morning on an empty stomach clears all the waste from the body and makes us feel hungry, and we can proceed ahead to have a good breakfast. Friends, the ninth benefit is that it promotes healthy and shiny hair. Drinking plenty of water can also help to improve the quality of hair. The 10th benefit is that it can help to prevent kidney stones. Drinking water on an empty stomach as well as regularly during the day can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Friends, the 11th benefit is that it helps to strengthen the immune system. Drinking plenty of warm water flushes out all the toxins and thus can help the body to avoid various kinds of infections. Thus,